Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at AdEx's AURA, which is an AI agent framework for Web3 that is designed to deliver personalized insights and automated executions based on users' portfolios and on-chain activity. This is, providing some differences to traditional AI where you enter a prompt and you get information back. But before we get into any of it, just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet here to bring you different forms of entertainment. Sometimes it's going to be crypto, sometimes it's AI, sometimes it's Web3. In this case, it's all three. But you never know what you're going to get. But one thing I can tell you is for certain, and that is you should always do your own due diligence. Make sure you're doing your own research. Make sure anytime I talk about anything on this channel or you hear any other crypto analysts or crypto advisors, I wouldn't even call myself an advisor or anything to that degree, but anytime you see anyone talking about crypto, you're making sure that you're putting in that research for yourself and making sure to make those financial decisions for yourself. Never let anyone on this side of the screen tell you what you should do with your money. That being said, and out of the way, let's go ahead and jump in. Now, first up, we're going to talk about the demo. So this is something that was just released and it's marking the first steps in bringing Aura to its users and partners, giving them a tangible feel of its core utility, the main use for it. I should also mention that this is part of that campaign. They are sponsoring this video, so a big thank you to AdEx. So first, we're going to take a look at the demo. So this is the Aura demo that is offering a small glimpse into what they are creating overall. It's a visual preview of the API-powered product that they're building, a simplified version of it though, where it's designed to give users and partners both a feel for how Aurora is going to analyze wallets and suggest DeFi strategies to you that are personalized on your wallet. While this is still kind of early, there are key features that are going to come, like automatic execution, as well as full AI-driven decision-making that are being developed in order to, make this into a fully integrated AI agent that will help stay on top of your trading. But this demo, very simple, very straightforward. That's a little bit further down the line, but as of right now, you just enter your wallet address and Aura will generate a personalized recommendation or multiple recommendations based on your actual on-chain activity. And this is the version 1.0 of Aura as it is currently laid out in their roadmap that you can check out. But this is just the starting point for a much bigger vision. But to get an idea of how it works, I'm going to just use a public one real quick. Vitalik.ethereum. We're going to hit go and it's going to start processing it, and it might take a second. Analyzing the portfolio, checking risk factors, looking for suitable dApps or platforms, assessing best strategies. So this, this is version 1.0, which is their prototype, basically just a DeFi strategy recommendation engine. Version 2.0 will have real-time insights to help you outrun the market, and then version 3.0 is going to be where it becomes your fully integrated and fully empowered personal AI agent that works on your behalf. Let's see what happens. Perfect. So it has ran that based on the different things that it has done in the past, the different assets that have been traded and stuff, just all on, all the activity that has occurred. It'll give you just different suggestions of what, it thinks are good strategies for you to do, or things that you might be missing out on. So for this one, it's claim airdrops and rewards. Claim the Hop airdrop via the Hop Exchange airdrop portal. Claim liquidity mining rewards from Uniswap version 3 for optimism. Claim liquidity mining rewards from Uniswap version 3 for base. So there's different recommendations for every one of these, but lend USDC and USDT for stable, low risk yields. And it kind of shows you how and where you might consider doing that. Stake and lend Ethereum and OP for growth with layer 2 exposure. And then, like I said, it gives you a breakdown of how you can actually enact all of these different strategies. So pretty cool stuff. Also, I should mention, in order to celebrate the launch of the Aura demo, they've actually dropped 420 soulbound NFTs to the early testers who made it in. The NFTs were minted to the wallet address users submit for recommendations and will later be unlocked to access premium features, rewards, and other perks as Aura evolves further. But yeah, it seems that those have all already been minted, but this is still a really cool thing for you guys to check out, and I highly recommend you do so. Or not, it's a free country. But real quick, I thought I'd show you some of the other things that they are suggesting that's going to be coming to it. So far is the tailored Web3 recommendations for the wallet, but also there will be automated execution of strategies where Aura will act on your behalf, seizing opportunities in real time, even while you sleep. Coming to the wallet you use via EIP 7702, where you'll have zero input needed, no prompts, no hassle. Unlike other solutions that rely on text input, Aura analyzes your on-chain activity and relevant data to recommend the best opportunities. And you get a little bit of a roadmap here, but we are already in the prototype stage, so that is already accessible to you. But the next bit we should talk about is the ADX token. Now, first off, you have the utility of the token. So in regards to the token's overall utilities, you can kind of see a breakdown of the tokenomics here. The ADX token is an ERC20 token that operates on the Ethereum blockchain and serves as staking, governance, payment, and rewards tool within the AdEx ecosystem. You can see some of the stuff here, including the market cap of 12 million, the volume 3 million, their circulating supply at 148 million across the different exchanges, Binance and Kraken and Uniswap. But so with the different things that you can do with it is stake your ADX tokens via Ambire wallet or the ADEX staking portal for impressive rewards. This way you can maximize the potential of your holdings while actively participating in the growth of their ADEX ecosystem. Their newly developed staking mechanism was approved via governance, which will allow their holder, it's going to enhance their holder power, anyone who's holding onto these tokens, also eliminate unlock periods, and also provide greater flexibility to those who are holding. Governance, which is going to be responsible for a lot of things, but those who are staking the ADX tokens will have the privilege to participate in the governance voting. With this, they are actively shaping the direction of ADEX and contributing to the decision-making process that drives the platform's evolution and development. This is directly responsible for that staking mechanism that I was just talking about, and a lot of the future decisions that are going to come with ADEX. Also, staked ADX boost recommendation serves as a security guarantee, unlocks premium features like enhanced insights and higher limits within Aura. It's considering multiple data sources in order to gather information, giving it access to thousands of Web3 opportunities. However, not all of those are going to be considered safe, obviously, particularly any smaller, lesser known protocols or networks. And in order to protect users, Aura will have to work with a pre-approved network. So in order to work and protect users, Aura will work with a pre-approved list of trusted Web3 apps and networks that have already been thoroughly vetted. and so if an app or network even is new or hasn't really gotten any traction yet, it can stake ADX as a security guarantee in order to be able to be considered for inclusion into that pre-approved list. The system allows users to explore emerging opportunities that come out with more confidence, while also ensuring a higher level of security and trust in the ecosystem that they're operating within. In regards to the premium features, that's going to include things like more detailed outputs and higher request limits. Monthly fee will be deducted from the staked amount, with users who stake above a certain threshold receiving discounts. The system incentivizes higher stakes by offering enhanced features and rewards to those who are staking higher, providing more value to those who are committing greater resources to the platform overall. So overall, Aura is aiming to transform the overwhelming stream of on-chain and real-time data into actionable strategies that will be tailored to each user's individual portfolio, behavior, and risk tolerance. Unlike traditional AI agents where you're putting in, a specific prompt, it is taking your wallet and the different transactions made with that wallet and the different moves made with it in order to analyze and see what possible strategies, and then even further later there's going to be a plug and play AI framework that is set up specifically for Web3 wallets and applications that is going to integrate with wallets, yield aggregators, NFT platforms, and bridges. Aura is aiming to deliver intelligent insights and automate user engagement across chains. So this is really trying to introduce a new user-centric model of promotion where protocols stake ADX tokens to be considered for recommendations and ensure that users only see opportunities that meet a higher standard. So it really does seem like they have a pretty good idea here. I think it's pretty good, if I'm honest. This is a pretty interesting project. I'm excited to kind of learn more about it and see where it goes. This is the kind of thing AI should be used for, in my opinion. Doing all the hard work, all the hard tasks that aren't really creative, but they're more just creating strategies, and you still have to analyze, right? I mean, there will be a later point where it will make transactions on your behalf. I don't know how much I would let myself go into that field, but getting updated analysis from my own personal consumption of crypto and use of crypto, maybe not such a bad thing. Might be really cool to see. But I digress. We have links in the description for you to go check it out yourself. I recommend trying out the demo. Let us know what kind of strategies it's telling you to implement. That's all I really have for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.